no foundation, but we still got to put primer on our face regardless whether we're going to put foundation or no foundation. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to today's video. I'm Sarah, for those of you who are new. So today we're creating this look, but we are not using any foundation at all. I really like how my skin looks so healthy, so glowy, so fresh, with no eyelashes, no foundation, no wing liner, nothing extra, but still I look so nice, so clean, so fresh without having to put so much foundation on your face. Look at this, like, look at this, guys. Do you see this? Like, there's no foundation here at all. There's zero foundation. Can you understand that? No foundation at all, which goes to prove that you don't need to use foundation, sis. Using foundation is just extra, you know, for those of us, or for those days that we want extra coverage, you know, you can use foundation. But look, you can achieve this look with no foundation. If you want to see how I got this cute, no foundation, glowy, clean, fresh look, stick around. We're just gonna go right on in with our primer. Okay, so before you do anything to your face, before you apply any makeup, you need to put on your primer. See that? I put a primer on my face before I do anything. No foundation, but we still gotta put primer on our face regardless whether we're gonna put foundation or no foundation. We gotta put primer on our face. Avant de mettre maquillage dans figure, make sure que vous mettez primer dans figure. Now, we're going to go with my HD corrector to color correct or spot correct. Spot correct is pretty much finding the little spaces on your face that you have little dark marks, you know, like little dark spots. Correct them, you know, cover them. I have a few right here. Blender to just try to blend that in, okay? So now we're going to go with our actual concealer now to conceal wherever you want to conceal. Say for example, you feel like you have under eye bags, then you want to conceal that, you conceal that. Or you can conceal under your eyes as well, just because you want a little bit of brightness, you want to look a little bit more awake. So I'm going to go in with this next NARS concealer to do that. You want to blend that all the way over, okay? Because we're not going to be using no foundation, so you can just go all the way over to make sure that the skin over here is even. So now we're done with our concealer, as you can see, but I just want to go a little bit extra, okay, with a little bit of powder. So we're going to be using this L'Oreal True Match powder, and my color is C8. Okay. Oh, I'm using this e.l.f. brush, by the way, okay? It's a fluffy brush, okay? So pay attention to how I'm using it, okay? I'm not doing this, just making it, dragging it down, okay? I'm gonna use it in circular motion because we have no concealer. We gotta do something to make sure that it goes into our face and then it's flawless, okay? And ladies, when you are putting makeup on, just don't forget about over here, okay? Because it looks crazy when your face is all nice and beat and it's this shade, but then over here, you know, like your neck, and you see this line. So just make sure to just don't forget about over here, okay? Now we're going to set my under eye with a little bit of setting powder, okay? And the powder that I'm using today is this one right here. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of finishing powder all over my face, okay? Now we're going to be using a little bit of blush. So now I am going to do my eyebrows now. this mascara. It's time for the glow. Now we're going to highlight. That's my favorite part. Yep. When you're highlighting, try to do like a V, you know, with your highlighting, so that you could just glow from all angles, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, see what I'm doing right now? Get your tab bit highlight. Go right here. You see I go up and boom. It's like boom, pop. Do you see that? Ooh, child. You also gotta highlight the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, the Cupid's bow, all that, because you just, you know, we just gotta. While we're at it, I'm just gonna add a tad bit on my forehead so that I can glow extra. But I'm not gonna put too much because, you know, I already got a forehead, you know, so we don't want too much attention going to the forehead. But do you see the glow? Ooh. So now we're going to do a little something to the, just a little bit of highlight right here, you know, to just brighten our eyes. Do you see that? Instantly brightens our eyes, like, yes, you see that? We're going back again with that same lip gloss from last time. Okay.